Hello and welcome. Just spent the last, I don't know, 8-9 hours making an app. I basically looked at the Higgsfield app and thought to myself, we should be able to recreate that and not be beholden to Higgsfield. Because obviously they've got some great apps on there, but to use them costs you an arm and a leg and you have to do the subscription. And I thought to myself, why don't we just build the app itself and just connect it to Fal, and then we've got a control over the finances of it. So what I've done here is, as you can see, I've got motion control, edit video and create a video. Let's just go for the motion control at the minute. So this is the Kling 01 edit. So you basically upload a video like I have done there, upload your image that you want the video to recreate, and you've got the option to have it the background of the video to be video. As you can see here, I did it with image, but you can change it, and then the background would be the background and not the white background we've got here. So let's just look at the video quickly. Okay, so there's a quick video that I did. I just did a short video because I didn't want to burn out credits. I was just testing the features to make sure it worked correctly. And that is that one there. So for that one, there will be some more touches up. I've got to do some more edits and get away from this generate button that says 6 credits left, because it doesn't do that. It's not correct. That's just, I copied the Higgsfield app and basically generated the same sort of element from there. So that's for the motion control one. Then we've got edit video. So you can just upload a video of up to 3 to 10 seconds. And you can just edit the video like you would do in Kling 0.1. You can change the resolution, 1080. Auto settings. Not sure what auto settings is. What thing there. So then you can just describe like you would do normally and what you want to change in the video, and you can add elements. So you could just go and add an element should you want to. And with the creator video, this is using the Kling new 3.0 Pro. Kind of expensive for like a 5-second generation with voice and audio. You're looking at around £1.50 per 5 seconds, so it's kind of expensive. You have to be careful, but as you can see, we've got start frame. Let's just put a picture in. Got start frame. You can put an end frame in. We'll just put a bag in. I'm not going to generate it, I'm just going to show you how it's used. And we've also got the multi-shot feature, which I think is vitally important. So we put the multi-shot feature up, and then you can just add the shot that you want. So you can just describe whatever you want and add elements. So again, you can create a character with, like you would do on Higgsfield, name it at whatever. So we'll just put at, and we'll just put hello. We'll put an image up there. We'll do this Prada bag. Save the element. Come out of there, and then, like you would do on Higgsfield, just put your at, and it comes up with your custom element, and you put that in there, and then you give it the direction. And these are all like 3-second shots for direction. So if you've got a 15-second video, shot 1 would be a zoom round. I did a one earlier. Let me just show you that video. So I created a little video when I basically just said give it an orbital shot of a 360 and then a close-up of a face, and this is what it did. Only 5 seconds, but you get the point. So I thought it was a quite nice little feature. I will make it available on my school group, and I will also make it available on Gumroad that you can just buy. Obviously it took me quite a lot of time to make this, and it'll be a minimal fee just so you can have it working on your own, and it'll just be the app that you load in, click open, and it'll install onto your computer, and you will get this available to you. And we'll have a little box up here that'll have API. But that'll be the next part of this video. It'll probably be, oh, and now I finished the app, here it is. This is just a quick hello talk video. Okay, so I've just started the edit video. Still needs to be touched up. Basically just asked for this video to change the dress into white. You can see she's wearing a dark dress, and we'll see what happens, and we'll wait for that to come through. Obviously it's a shorter video because I'm just testing the actual features, and I don't want to make a long video and waste loads of credits. I'll give you the pricing as soon as we've got the video up, and let's see what happens. Okay, that has been done, and I'll tell you what, that took about, I don't know, 4 to 5 minutes to generate, maybe a bit less. But let's have a look at the quality. Let's put it to full screen. And I must say, that is very good. So back down to there. So now we've got a fully working app that can create videos with screenshots. Like you can add. Obviously don't do too many because you only got to 15 seconds, I believe. So 5 should be the max. 5 times 3 is 15. And it won't let you do another one anyway, so it only gives you the max, which is good. We've got the edit video, so you can edit your video and just say, right, change this, move that, do whatever, add your element, and it'll do it for you. And you've got your motion control where you pop a little video in, put your image that you want to do it. Obviously you could put an image in there and that would swap her face out should you need to do that. You've got screen select control, so you can do image, that'd be the video. Because you want to do the image, it gives you the white background instead of the background that you've got there, should you want to steal somebody else's video and work it into yours. It's always at 1080 is that one. You've got your create elements, boom, stick an element in there, job's a good one. Let's go back over here. Yeah, you can't change the selection obviously because it's fixed for this particular workflow. You can change the looks like you can only do 720. I think, yeah, I did 720 because it just cuts down the costs. You could always upscale later at a cheaper cost. So there you have it, the little app, and that will be ready to go by next few hours. As I say, you can join the school community and get it there, or get it direct from Gumroad, and I might just put $10 on it, something like that, so it costs you next to nothing to have it, saves you 8.5 hours work, and then you've got it up and running. You can have it anytime you want, and you don't have to pay the fees to Higgsfield. You can just control what you pay, rather than saying, oh, I'm going to use Higgsfield, oh, I'll get unlimited. You don't get unlimited, you get unlimited for a fixed period of time, and it takes ages to get a video. It's frustrating, is Higgsfield. It's not as it says on the tin, although it does have a lot of good features. But that's up to you. You can have it or you don't want it, whichever. I just thought I'd show it. I've got some more stuff coming like this. I've got some airstable stuff coming, full of prompts, full of images, motion controls and all that good stuff. Very similar to what Higgsfield supply, but I'm making it myself and I'm making it available to you guys. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Okay, we've updated the app to make the features. What we did notice on the first build of the app, when you do go to the shots feature, you don't have an end frame. And I was getting errors because we've got an end frame. You don't have an end frame on shots, you just build it up per shot. So as you can see here, I made a video of basically a quick Coke ad, just testing the flow out, and we've got the consistent character. I've put @2 is the name of the character. But if we go to here, just made a picture of her. Let's just put that one there, and then basically you can just add another picture, write the name in there, save the element, and use the element in the prompt. Like if I was to add another scene here, I'll have another shot, I just go to elements, and there's the first element, click of them, and we've got add to, so that would be there for this video, and then you just put your prompt in, or vice versa, put your prompt in, then put this in, it doesn't really matter. I put add audio, I shouldn't have bothered really, because I can just go over the audio later. Let's just have a quick look at the video it produced then. The only fault I've got here with the video, it looks like she's got a cap on the bottle. So how does she drink it? But hey, there you go. But look at the quality, the movement, let's just look at that again. Definitely very good quality. And that's the update for that one. So then we've got the edit feature, where you just upload a video and describe what you want to change in the video, like the background, whatever, like we did earlier. And then you've got the motion, where you put a video up to 30 seconds, add your character, and you can get it the motion of that video. Kind of expensive though. This is all done by Fal. Obviously when you come to upload this into your own computer, you need to put your own API key in there. Just put your API key in there, configure, and then you're done. Should you not like any elements, just delete them. And if you find you've got into trouble, just refresh. In fact, I want to just download this video first. And refresh that, press OK, and it resets the whole production. So we've got production ready now, where you can use 3 of the Kling models through Fal to generate videos to your heart's content. Thanks for watching.